This is the Sopami Disposable Snap Grip MiniMop, a versatile cleaning tool designed to help you tackle a variety of surfaces around your home. The 55-inch extendable handle makes it easy to reach higher areas like walls, baseboards, and corners without the need for a step stool, while also providing comfortable reach for cleaning floors. Its compact mop head is especially useful for tight spaces where larger mops can be difficult to maneuver. I like that it includes both reusable cleaning pads and a disposable pad, giving you the flexibility to choose the option that best fits your cleaning routine. The Snap Grip design makes changing pads quick and simple, so you can spend more time cleaning and less time setting up. This MiniMop is suitable for a variety of hard surfaces, including hardwood, marble, and other sealed floors. It's also handy for picking up pet hair, dust, and everyday debris from walls, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. If you're looking for a lightweight, extendable cleaning tool with reusable and disposable pad options for floors, walls, and tight spaces, the Sopami Disposable Snap Grip MiniMop is a practical addition to your home cleaning supplies.